Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at
Duppy
night.
Tourists in Mobay. Full story.
One day at Sangster International Airport, a plane came to Jamaica from the US. The pilot landed, and when he looked, he almost fainted. The plane was empty. It is believed that the Duppies were sent to Jamaica to do a reprisal for some people who got scammed. People think that's the reason why the scammers can never be at peace or unite with each other, because those spirits are mischievous and will always stir up wars between them. A scammer was riding his bike and stopped at his favorite restaurant to grab lunch. He ordered, and the waiter asked him if he's not ordering anything for his girlfriend. He looked shocked, started laughing, and said he was alone. The waiter asked him if he was sure. He said yes, ate and left. That evening, he went to buy callaloo, and the vendor said to him that his whitey was nice. This time he was frightened, because it happened twice in one day, and he was alone. He became paranoid that his ops was doing science. He jumped on his bike and hurried home. While speeding, he rode straight under a trailer and lost his life. During the excitement, someone saw the whitey get off the bike, walked calmly from the scene, and simply vanished while he was on the ground suffering. He passed away shortly after.
Like and follow for more.